Oh man, I'm starving. I think a slice of pizza is good enough to ease my hunger.
Sir, please help me. I haven't eaten anything since last week.
Oh Allah, turns out there is a person much more in need than me.
Oh, thank you so much, sir.
Wait, what's that? Oh, 1,000 rupees! I can buy a pack of noodle! Ouch! No! I'm pretty sure that the coin rolls this way. Wait a minute.
I made 3 million yesterday, but today I only get 1,005,000 rupiah. Anyways, it's not a big deal. I'll just keep doing this. Perhaps one day it will be enough to buy a house.
He has tons of money after all. You filthy liar.
Oops! I'm sorry. I didn't see you. Are you okay down there?
Let him be. At least my intention in helping him is sincere. Only for Allah.
Sir, please help me. I haven't eaten anything since last week. Thank you so much, sir.
That's bad, it's a fraud! Call the police! Call the police!
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. Yes.
Hi, I'm here for my mom. She said she's very sorry for what happened today. She really had no idea you were there collecting some garbage. Oh yeah, here's some pizza from her. Again, we're very sorry.
Oh, she thinks I'm a scavenger. Yeah? It's okay. MashaAllah! I just wanted a slice of pizza, and I get a box of it instead. Oh, Allah, indeed you are the most wealthy of all. Whoever fears Allah, He will make for him a way out, and will provide for him from where he does not expect.